Wish I could say I was. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just what's now.
Hey loves, it's your girl right here, Lovely Angel Lady, L to the E to the L. Welcome to my channel. Y'all, so I'm excited about today's video. Yes, I'm off work again. As y'all know, I've been filming when I've been off. I'm finally in the Christmas spirit, which Jesus is the reason for the season anyhow. So we still alive and kicking, so that is something for me to be grateful for, especially during this season of COVID. So without further ado, if y'all want to get the deets on this gal right here, then you're gonna want to sit right there in your seats, gals. Don't you go nowhere. All right, y'all, before we move forward, I want to give you guys an opportunity to make it official, become one of my lovelies. You make it official and you become one of my lovelies by doing what? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres, okay? So what you're gonna do is pause this video, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. While you're at it, don't forget to hit the alert bell. I feel like I should be like a hype woman for Lil Jon. Like what? But anyway, yeah, don't forget to tap the alert bell so you will not miss out on anything that we have going on up over here. So, all right, y'all, let's get into this video. So this chica that I am wearing, I did show y'all different styling options. I just rolled with 3 different styling options because it's not a whole lot density wise, and then also the hair is 16 inches body wave, so it looks, you know, shorter when you're dealing with wavy hair. Like if it's 16 inches straight, it's gonna come down here on me, and I'm 4'11", so it's like way up here, even though it's 16 because it's body wave. It's 100% human hair. This chica comes from Kryssma. They were kind enough to send her over for us to check out over at the LL channel. And so, thank you, Kryssma. It's KryssmaWig.com. Kryssma Wig, just WIG.com. Or you can check them out on Amazon. They are on Amazon, all right? Yeah, so I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all while I had the time to do so, because I'm wearing my Mom Boss shirt from Shein. I just went on and rocked the leopard print headband. It was a given that I was going to choose that one because we weren't wearing no floral with no leopard print. So I love leopard print, any type of animal print really, but leopard is my favorite. But we rocking her in a bun right now. Y'all will see. I'm not going to yap too much. I'm going to show y'all the 3 ways that I styled her. She is body wave. I did not want to put water in her because she's not full, like super full density wise, and I didn't want her to look even thinner while wet and then having to wait for her to dry and all that. But the wave pattern, I wanted you to see straight out of the package how the wave pattern looks, and it's really pretty. The hair, like I said, is not a whole lot of density, but it looks kind of natural that way. Like when you put her up in a ponytail and a bun, it looks like it could be your own hair because it's not too much hair. So if you like realistic, then sis right here might be for you. So I'm gonna show y'all how I styled her and everything. And yeah, so y'all can just see your options. These headband wigs are a game changer. Yes, they are. Yes, boo. Okay. How you doing? Because that's how I'm feeling. Like, how you doing? Yeah, very, very, like, when I say quick and easy, like my edges I had done before I started, but y'all, just do y'all a simple face beat. Like I just have a neutral face beat today. And I gotta do some more makeup videos for y'all as well. I know. This job has been taking up so much of my time, y'all. And I can't wait until I can get back to y'all like full time, like, you know, before. But we gotta make that paper. We gotta make that shmoney. So anyway, y'all, let's see how we styled this gal. And then I'll be back with you in the outro.
I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll react. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules, and that's facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you.
Alright, now me some more. So you got to see how we styled this gal right here. And you saw 3 styling options, so you know the flexibility. You see how quick and easy, like, took no time like that. Did not require a lot of tools. I didn't even put gel or hairspray in it. Like, just so natural looking, just really straightforward and simple. So again, from Kryssma Wigs, go check them out on Amazon.com. I will put the links and everything. I link a lot of stuff for y'all, like my lashes, my contacts. These are the Caribbean brown from, where did I get these from? Bouillon. Or I think it's Bouillon, yeah. Beauon, I believe, but I'll link everything for y'all, okay? So always check the description box, because it's like gold up over here, you know what I'm saying? I be, you know, trying to get y'all, putting y'all on just, you know, some good stuff. You know what I'm saying? You heard me? You heard me? But, all right, now I'm going to go ahead and let y'all go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did subscribe. Sharing is caring, so please don't hesitate to share. Please share all of my videos. I really appreciate y'all support. Your girl LAL, you know I love you. You know I love you. So I'm gonna see y'all. It would be nice if I could get another one up, like probably film before work or something like that. Especially when I start like midday, because I'll be working like till late. So, but anyway, mis amores, thank you, muchas gracias. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you later. All right, y'all. Bye bye.